Welcome back to Bangers and Smash. On this episode, lightning in Singapore. So the very first videos that I ever uploaded on YouTube were just videos of lightning that I filmed here in Singapore. It feels like I've come full circle. So all the lightning strikes that I'm about to show you were filmed with the Red Komodo, which has a global shutter, which makes life very easy for capturing lightning, especially with the pre-record function. I do wish, however, it had better frame rate so that I could film in slow motion, but you can't have everything. All of the video clips that make up this little montage were filmed between November 2020 and February 2021. We've had a lot of storms here in Singapore, and something that I didn't realize before I started doing this is Singapore is actually the global capital of air-to-ground lightning strikes. It has more lightning strikes hit the ground per square kilometer than anywhere else on the planet, allegedly. Either way, I love filming lightning. It's especially with the COVID lockdown, being able to go on the balcony and film these storms and see Mother Nature's power is just one of those things that I enjoy doing. So why not put together a silly video about it? Now, I have tried to up the production value a little bit compared to all of my other YouTube videos by turning this into a little bit of a Grindhouse style 1970s type trailer. If you don't like that, forgive me. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. But I thought I'd have a bit of fun with it rather than just have slow motion lightning strikes one after the other.
So yeah, I'm the real god of thunder. What do we do now? Yeah, I'll play Led Zeppelin, the Immigrant Song. And what I do is I listen to the bit that goes dun 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 dun, and then I start to like wiggle my bum in my little towel that's in the shape of a lightning bolt. It gets all charged up, and then when the bit goes ah, yeah, that's when the magic happens. like a face mask? You'd help prevent the Pika flu? So yeah, Led Zeppelin, they spelt their name LED rather than LEAD because they thought that the Americans would call them Led Zeppelin rather than Led Zeppelin. I thought that was interesting.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I do have an Instagram account which is here, and I try to upload lightning videos that I managed to film here in Singapore on the Instagram stories, so follow me there if you would like to see more. I also have this account for film photography, which was what the channel was originally about. If you do go out and film some lightning yourself, please be careful. When I'm out on the balcony, I try to be sensible, and the Red Komodo actually has an app that allows me to stand indoors whilst leaving the camera outside so I can film the lightning when it strikes, providing that the camera is facing in the correct direction. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but you know, leave me a comment, subscribe, like, share, whatever you have to do to make the Google algorithm love these videos. Until the next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.